Hey everyone, I'm Nino John, a Client Success Coordinator at Brandco. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview on the WordPress plugin called Elementor. Don't worry, there won't be a quiz at the end. All of our latest sites includes Elementor Pro. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress. This plugin helps you create custom looking interior pages. If you are on our newest version of Property Press, you can use Elementor to edit your pages. Let me show you how you can create a new page designed in Elementor. But take note that you can also use Elementor on your existing pages. From the backend of your site, navigate to Pages, go to All Pages, and then add New. From here, you just need to add the title of your page if this is a new page. And now you can click on Edit with Elementor. It will open up the page editor in Elementor like this one. You can either build your page from scratch and just drag the items that you want from the left, or you can use one of the Elementor Pro's pre-existing templates. And here's how to build from scratch. You'll see a plus sign and a folder. Right down at the bottom, you need to click on the plus sign, and here you can lay out the look of your page from top to bottom. For example, if you'd like a heading and then below the heading a photo, next to the text you would click on the biggest box and then the two boxes. It should look like this. Now you can drag the heading over to the larger box like this. Then you can change the font and color from here. And photo. And text. Or you can click on the folder and customize an existing template, like this one. You can customize with different colors and fonts, photos, and even remove and add sections as needed, like this one. Then you can either save this as a template or draft, or even make it live right away. Now, I would say don't be afraid to make a mistake. If you do, there's a history button here that works like a time machine where you can revert back your changes in case you don't like it or if you messed up something. Crazy, right? And Elementor has a tons and tons of tutorials online if you're looking to learn even more. But I'd consider you on your way to being a pro.